assignment 2, textbook, page number 2 and 3. So this part is on page number 2 of your textbook and the remaining part is on page number 3 of your textbook. For our convenience, I have pasted both the pages on a single page. So let us start. Our second assignment passage starts from I'll see how you can. So it is starting from here. And what he wanted to say, and ends over here what he wanted to say. Now let us start with the first question. Question 1. Write the answers to the following question. Question number 1. What did Gopal Bhan say he was doing? Remember what Gopal Bhan said he was doing? He was driving away the greedy cows from his field. So from this passage, the answer is over here. I have to drive away your greedy cows from the field. So let us write the answer in complete and full sentence. Gopal Bhan said that he was driving away the couple's greedy cows from his field. Question number 2. Did Gopal Bhan have a field? In the previous video, when we were learning the lesson, we knew that Gopal Bhan was having no field. So the answer is over here in the passage. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers, said the husband. So let us write the answer in full sentence. No, Gopal Bhan did not have a field. Next question. What did Gopal Bhan want to tell the husband and wife? So, Gopal Bhan wanted to tell them that they should not argue over their daydreams, and secondly, they should not fight over something which they don't even have, and they should live in the present. So, let us write this answer in complete sentence. Answer will be Gopal Bhan wanted to tell them that they should not argue over their daydreams. They should not fight over something that they don't even have. They should live in the present. So now our answer is complete. Let us go on question number 4. What is the difference between a dream and a daydream? So students, in the previous video at the starting, we learned the difference between dream and daydream. What was that? A dream is something that comes to one's mind when they are sleeping. And daydream is what? A daydream comes to one's mind during the day when they are awake. So let us write the answer in complete sentence. A dream is something that one has at night when one is asleep. A daydream comes to one's mind during the day when one is wide awake. Question number 2. Read the following words aloud and copy them. So students, we have to read these words loudly and we have to copy them. So repeat after the teacher. First word, exclaimed. And let us write it, exclaimed. Second, commotion. Let us write it, commotion. Third word, astounded. Let us write it. Fourth word, antics. Write it, antics. Fifth, wander. Sixth, welding. Let us write it. Now question number 3. From the passage, find at least 3 phrases each that begins or include. So now these words are given over here, and again we have to find from the passage at least 3 phrases which include or begin with these words. So let us find. Now the first one is a or a. So let us start. Yes, the first phrase is over here, a pot full of milk. So let us write A pot full of milk. Let us find the second one. Yes, it is over here. A stout stick. So let us write it. A stout stick. Find the third phrase. Yes, it is over here only. In a corner. So let us write in a corner. Question number 2, an. So find the phrase from the passage. So we don't have any phrase. So we'll write no phrases having an. Third one, the. So let us find the from the passage. Yes, the first one is over here. All the hard. So let us write all the hard work. Second, yes, over here, the earthen pots. So let us write the earthen pots. Third word, all the commotion. So let us write all the commotion. Choose question number 4. Choose A or an correctly and fill in the blanks. So we have to choose A or an correctly and fill in the blanks. First one, dash stout stick. So it will be a stout stick. Dash lovely field. A lovely field. Dash eyebrow. The first alphabet over here is a vowel, so it will be an eyebrow. Question number 5. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. First word, stick. So what will be the plural form of it? It will be sticks. Second is corner. So the answer will be corners. Third is field. So the plural form will be fields. Cucumber, cucumbers. Open-ended question. Write about your own daydream in short. So here you have to write your own daydream in short. So this question is for your homework. A. Oral work. Form groups of 3 and read the conversation in the story aloud. So students, right now you can practice this activity at home with your family members, or you can try it on your own also. Try to make out voice of these characters on your own and you can carry out this activity. B. Activity project. Form groups of 5 and discuss the occasion on which you can use each of the following expressions. List at least 3 occasions. First, that's true. So here you have to discuss the occasion on which you will use each of the following expression. So right now you can do this activity on your own. For example, the first will be when we are talking about physical exercise, then many times we use that's true. So in this way you will carry out this activity on your own. So this activity is for your homework. Begin with the word or write as many other related words or ideas that occur to you in the form of concept chart or concept map. You can choose from the words given below or your own words. School, home, food, medicine. So students, as you can see, concept map over here. So exactly you have to prepare a same concept chart or a map using your own ideas. For example, you have to choose any one word from here. Take for example school. Then you have to place it in properly in the same way, or you can use any other type of concept map also. So if you choose school over here, then what comes what words comes into your mind. It can be recess, it can be notebook, it can be teacher, then friends, then it can be subjects also, English, maths. So in this way you have to create your own concept chart or own concept map. If you take home, I'll suggest that you will create your own concept map. Do not try to copy the same exact map from here, but try to create your own concept map. If we take food, then what ideas or words comes into your mind? It can be minerals, it can be vitamins, then it can be healthy food, vegetables, fruits. So all these words comes into our mind. Same way with the medicine, for example, doctor, hospital, nurse. So in this way, so students, you can attempt other words on your own in the space given below or in your rough books. So here space is given over here. You can create your own concept map. So this activity is for your homework.